wants to stop now. Where's we? Put those things down because this is one lesson. One lesson I've learned so far. Let me tell you guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
So I came to check on the washing machine, left it for a year, and I just came to check on it to see if it's still working, and I've placed some clothes on it. The clothes are washing, so it's still working really well. Lovelies, I'm currently in my kitchen. I was there yesterday, but I came really late, so I couldn't show you guys anything. So I'm here now to wash my clothes in my washing machine, to do a quick test run, and yeah, let me just give you guys snippets. That's what I want to show you guys. So you can catch what I want to give you. I want to give you a quick turn over. Okay, let's do this. Yay! So that is it, and I'm going to show you the full view of this kitchen when it is totally ready, because yeah, this kitchen is giving. It is giving what it's supposed to give. This artisan guy, he finished work. Yes, he finished work for this kitchen. See, I'm not joking, I'm not even capping. This is my furniture guy. Chef kiss. 10/10 nothing. That is what this kitchen is giving me right now. I don't know for you, but for me, it's giving me 10/10 nothing. So I'm going to just show you guys just brief stuff. Look at my cooker. It's still dusty, really dusty. I don't know if you can see. I used cappuccino color for my cabinets. Yeah, so just brief everything. That is what I'm going to give you guys for now. And that is my extractor over there. Yeah, so everything is taking shape, everything is coming together. And my marble, wow, this marble, although I asked for gold color for this marble, but I'm guessing this is, should I say wine rose, or I don't know what this is called. Look at it, but it still came out well. It's fine, and it said the color is even difficult to find. But yeah, this one, it took him time before he could get this one, but it's all good. I love it, the way everything is coming out in my kitchen. I love it. And you guys are going to see the final look when they are done. So they are working on my TV unit right now and my walk-in closet, so it's just doing everything simultaneously. But yeah, I love the way everything is going on. Everything is going smoothly. And yeah, I really want to talk to you guys about something. I don't know, anytime I'm at home, that's when I usually remember what I want to say to you guys. But I just hope I'm going to remember what I want to say before I end this conversation with you guys. But it's all good. So, lessons learned so far while with this experience of being our own contractor, our own interior designers, with our first home and this home. So the lessons we learned so far is that one of the things I learned is that, see, if you are doing this for the first time, it's not going to be easy. Yes, so this is our second home, this is our second house we are making, and we took our time to pick the color. See, look at Michelle's body now, white. Because I just want to have a brief talk with you guys, and she's doing anything she likes. She's just feeling herself here with this dust that they've used to work. But yeah, let me talk to you guys. Later I'll go and clean her up before we go. So when you are doing this by yourself the first time, know that you're not going to make mistake. You are bound to make mistake. Let me keep you guys here so that you can see me properly. Enough of holding this in my hand. Yes, I can keep you guys here. Let me keep you guys here. Yes, this is nice. So they are fixing the doors. They are doing. They are just working. They are working. And see the white thing now on my body. You know what I'm sure is saying, look at your body. So yeah, they're fixing the doors. We've gone to my former house and we brought this chandelier lights we fixed here on this kitchen. So they're still fixing the doors in this in the house. All the adjustments we are doing them in this house. Our first house was not perfect, but then we thought we've done even at 8. Hey, look at Michelle. Look at her face. Can you see all the dust in this house? That was what she went to beat herself with. Oh, it's all good. We're going to clean ourselves before we leave. So yeah, with my first kitchen. Oh god, my first kitchen. They did rubbish under my kitchen. Guessing that my sink. This place I'm keeping this phone now to talk to you guys. Algae grows on it. You see algae on it because the marble work they did rubbish on that one. So I told Obi I don't want that guy to come close to my kitchen. I want somebody that knows what he's doing and he will be present to do my kitchen for me. Because the person that did that one, he's not always there. You just leave the work, you give it to his people that are working and he will not even be there to supervise anything. And they did rubbish on the kitchen. If you see the island for that kitchen, oh god, you pity me. So this is how my washing machine usually shakes when it's already coming down. See, I don't know if you can see this. It's always moving like this. I don't know if it wants to pull out. See the back. That is how it's always moving when I'm watching. See, it has started coming down now because it wants to stop now. But it will be shaking, vibrating, so it's going to stop on its own. I'll go to the next step. But yeah, I don't know if this is how all washing machine is. Let me know in the comment section, or if it's just mine that usually vibrates like this, because the vibration is as if it wants to pull out. I would have thought that within a space of just 2 to 3 years, I would not be in my home. That we just made not quite long and being in a totally different place. Situations can just change, and when it changes, you don't have to beat yourself over things that you have no control over. You understand? So it's just best for you to just look ahead, look at the future, know that so long as there is life, there is always hope. You will always recover all what you've lost. So yeah, I just feel like should advise 1 or 2 persons today because it has not been easy for us this past year. A whole year we've been displaced, a whole year I'm not in my home, a whole year I've not done things I would want to do normally in my home. Yeah, so I just feel I should encourage 1 or 2 persons who might be in the same situation with me, who might be homeless, who might be jobless, who might be passing through hard time, because there are different problems in life that are affecting us. Everybody's problems are not the same. So might be sickness that they have experienced for years. So there's always light at the end of the tunnel and it is going to be bright. Who would have thought that during that period of time would have gone to another place like this, comfortable? See, I wouldn't have even dreamt about it. But God made a way out for us and this is where I am today. Hi my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you are good. So today is Friday and I came here to wash my clothes, and my mom has been doing the washing since with her hand. I don't want that anymore since the washing machine is here, so I decided to be coming here to wash my clothes to wash the clothes, everybody's clothes. Yeah, because the washing machine is functional, and yeah, we have lights here. We've already fixed the lights. This is NEPA lights, we fixed it, and that is what we've been using in this apartment. That's what the furniture people have been using to work. So I came here and I'm seeing some growths, and I said to myself, let me share this with my people. Yes, let me share this great with my people. My TV unit is almost ready for my living room, and the vanity is almost ready too. For my walk-in closet. Yeah, the mirror there, they fixed it. So let me show you guys. Are you ready? Are you ready to see it? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. I know you're ready. Before I forget, you're welcome to episode 7 or 8. This should be either episode 7 or episode 8 of this House series. I'm so excited to be making these videos for you guys. See, if you've not watched the previous episode, just go and watch those ones so that you're going to catch up with everything so that you don't miss anything. Okay, lovelies, they fixed the door for this part of my kitchen, but I don't know why these cracks are here. This crack and this crack. I don't know why everything must not be perfect. Everything has to be perfect, but we are humans, we are imperfect, so we have to see. Hey! Good afternoon, sir. Lovelies, guess who just came in now that made me scream the way I screamed? It's the weatherman. I'm excited to see him now, so I can't wait for everything in this house to be done. Let's go and see the TV units and the walk-in closet I was talking about. Yeah, so that's the TV unit in progress. Walk-in closet. So yeah, this is the vanity. They've placed the mirror here. Can you see? They've placed the mirror. This mirror is big, but on my phone it's small. Seeing it like this is big, but showing you guys it's looking like it's small. When it comes back, it's going to do the other things in this area. The what's it called, for jewelries and all of those stuff. It just left now. The work is not done, so it left to treat himself. My husband and I, we are fantasizing about finishing everything in this house before the holiday. That is before that Christmas break, so that we can be in our home and relax our head while the holiday is going on. But as it stands now, from what we are seeing, this whole project, I think, is going to get to towards the end of this month or early January of next year, before everything in this house is going to be totally finished. Because this is one lesson I've learned so far. Let me tell you guys. See, if you are building and you want to move into your house, do not mix this step. Do not miss it. Fumigate your home before you enter. Very, very important, key. So we must fumigate this house before we enter. No matter how we are in a hurry, we are not going to take chances on that. We must fumigate. That is very, very important, because cockroaches, rats, war gecko, lizard, I don't want to see any of those. I don't want to see them. I want those things to be totally away from my home this time. In my last apartment, we just moved in like that. We did not fumigate. We were just using our mouth to say we are going to fumigate, but we did not. So I don't want any of those now. Okay, you don't forget to fumigate if you are moving into your house for the first time. Okay.